Hey guys, this is Abir Khan and you are watching Desi Vlogs. This is day 92nd of our vlog, and in this video I'm gonna talk about construction. So guys, starting from this hammer, we have here, this is called kodal in our language. So guys, if you've been following my vlogs, I've told you guys that I'm seriously super busy in the construction work going on in my house, and this is what it looks like. This is the thing that is used to level the things up. I mean, level the wall by hanging it like this from the this is just like a pendulum, but a heavy one. We do have levelers as well, but mainly this is the main thing that we use. So anyways, this is construction, and obviously we have here the tape, the measuring tape, and so I was thinking to show you guys how it really works here in Pakistan. We do have like big machinery, but obviously for small constructional areas we don't use them. And the unique part of construction in Pakistan is that you need to participate in that construction, whether you are a landlord or whatever. You have like millions of dollars, you need to be here with those guys and participate in the construction. I mean, not with your hands or something like that, but participate in the construction physically, like your presence counts. So I just wanted to show you guys how construction really works in Pakistan, and it is a unique experience for me as well, because this is the first big construction that I'm going through, and obviously this is not it. There is construction going on the other side of my place as well, so I am pretty excited and obviously a lot more busy these days in doing this stuff. So that's why I've been not uploading videos on my main channel lately, but I have planned to make videos regularly on my second channel, that is my vlog channel. So just wanted to show you guys the construction, and this is it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope I'll see you guys in my next video. So peace.